Shaft alignment and couplings. To prepare for this exercise, remove the gearbox from the trainer. The alignment exercise must be completed using one of the two pumps provided. Each group should use the pump that matches the label on the trainer motor. The motors turn at different RPMs, so instructors should make sure the correct pump is selected. Secure the pump mounting plate to the trainer. Rotate the motor mounting plate so the motor shaft faces the pump shaft. We will be installing a jaw-type coupling, often called a Lovejoy coupling, regardless of brand. The coupling consists of two rigid hubs and a flexible spider insert. Install the coupling hub onto the motor shaft. Install the key stock and slide the coupling on until the interface is flush with the end of the shaft. Make sure the set screws are loose enough to allow installation. Verify the key stock is in place, then tighten both set screws with an Allen wrench to secure the coupling. If any nicks or burrs are present, a file or emery cloth may be needed to deburr the shaft. Install the hub on the pump shaft in the same manner that we installed the hub on the motor shaft. Make sure the key stock remains in position and secure the hub by tightening the set screws. Install the spider into one of the hubs, then slide the motor toward the pump until the hubs are close but not touching. Now we can begin the alignment procedure. Thanks for watching. Visit industrialmaintenancetraining.com for more resources and connect with our customer service team anytime at sales@mstservices.net. We look forward to helping you succeed.